And people ask me, say, why you want to do a show, right? And you know how you see, I get invited to all these events, right? I'm doing a Deal Socket Summit, driving sales. I'm gonna be speaking in driving sales. I'm gonna be a digital dealer, right, in Vegas. All these events that I get invited for, and I get to speak and I get to share all these things that are going on in the automotive industry. All right, I can only consume so much, but I have to share it with you guys. I have to tell you what's going on because the industry is changing, man. All right, and some of you guys don't want to change. I get it. All right, I get it. It's not easy, but you know what? We need to change because we live in a different time. We live in different generations. You guys know that. Pretty much these things control our lives. I have three of them. All right, so you guys know the deal. So I want to share what's going on with everybody. I want everybody to come in together, okay, to this show and share everything with everybody.